Try to, yeah, right there. It's right in there, it's right in there. It's the last group of notes in third position. Here, da 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 da. There, right in there. Don't force the stroke. That's right. Yeah, work on it. Yeah, it's just a matter of your energy. If there's too much energy, it spoils it. All right? So it has to be like. Remember that the effect you're giving is not that you can play it well. The effect you're giving is you can play it easily. And if you're not playing it easily physically, you're not going to give that effect. So you have to almost diminuendo. Brum, brum. Say it aloud for the chords. Play it again. Softer. So I started earlier. By the way, the fourth position. Ya, ya, da, 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 the fourth position. They weren't in tune with the piano. Everybody heard that E's in tune with the piano. That was better. Okay? Right there. That's bad. That's it. It was more even. It was better in tune. And it seemed like you had much more ease with it. Everything was better about it. So you have to just back off.
Okay.